What's up, guys? This is B-Side Investing. Well, we got like huge movement over the weekend. Not that much, but let's see. So I was expecting it to go around 32, 33K, but it just fell to 34, 33, yeah. Yeah. Didn't really go that low. If we look at that, yeah, 33-ish, 33.4. I was able to pick up some coins around 34. Was it 34 or 33? Around here, sorry. And yeah, around here somewhere. So I was able to pick up some coins in this range when it went up. So I think that's a good buy for me. I got some really good ones at some low prices, and then I just what I also did was also stake most of them, kind of, and I was able to average down. So dollar cost average, I was able to use that and lower my average losses down, kind of, because we are in kind of a weird time right now. So today's a holiday, and I know I didn't do a video on Friday. I totally forgot about it, though. My bad. I know we had some huge moments, so it's kind of the reason why we're down to 47. I think we were down like maybe 5 or 6%. I'm not sure. I think it was this drop right here. So yeah. There was some news with Hive on Friday, which I totally forgot about it. That's my mistake. So they announced the 10 megawatt expansion of green energy GPU data center in Sweden. So that's most likely Ethereum Classic or ETH. And they also state it right here. So they're using ETH Classic to pay off their administrative cost and just basic general cost, and just storing Bitcoin and Ethereum in cold wallet. So, and yeah, just hodling strategy. Same. That's about it, I think. They just increased that from 21 megawatt to 33, and just that. They're also securing some GPU cards for the expansion. And he talked about the ESG strategy, because I think I brought up about Michael Saylor and Elon Musk meeting with the top Bitcoin miners in North America, and Argo blockchain, and yeah, so I think that was it, right? They were talking about right here. So recently there has been substantial volatility due to Elon Musk's pronouncement, and then China's shutdown in crypto mining. It's great news for the global economy that China is shutting down mining, which is mostly from coal-generated electricity. Frank Holmes, executive chairman, said it was great to participate in the special meeting held on Sunday, championed by Michael Saylor and special guest Elon Musk, along with CEO from many of the largest crypto mining companies. Yeah, I think that was it from here. Yeah. And then, okay, so HUT was up 1.2% today. Not much. I was hoping they would go up higher, but let's see. So Bitfarms 2.34. There weren't any news today as far as the dual listed miners. I'm only invested in Canadian miners in the challenge here. So yeah, I mean, it doesn't make sense for them to do it anyway, right? Because they want the most exposure, so they'll either do it tomorrow if they have any news. It made sense last week when the Canadian it was Victoria Day, and then today it was Memorial Day for the Americans. So last week, if they released the news, then it made sense because the bigger market is open. So dual listing wise, it makes more sense to do it. So, but right now, I don't think they're gonna release. It wouldn't be that effective to release news today. Let's see. So I don't think people are even paying attention to the stock market today. Let's see. So in terms of the gains and losses, we're doing okay today. Barely anything, zero. Zilch, nothing, $9. So Bitcoin kind of came back up today. We were looking at 37.4 high, 37.4, and now it's sitting around 36.7. So overall, I think the weekend was kind of turbulent, but I think we're kind of past it. I was hoping, it's not hoping, sorry. I thought it might be a huge, once the market opens, it would drop a lot, but it didn't drop that much, considering only a few $100s. So, and it just stayed around that same region throughout the day, so that's good. Let's see. So because today the video is going to be really, really short, but I do have other things that I've been checking out and I've been doing behind the scenes. So we'll get into those because today there's literally nothing else to talk about. So, and company-wise, I know I should be finding new companies to invest with, but right now with the stock market kind of iffy stage, I know it's probably the right time to buy now. But I see a lot of YouTubers sharing companies that they think are going to do really well, but then people are kind of impatient and just blame them for putting them onto the game about that company, and then they don't realize that they're making the purchase themselves and not doing their own research when they're just giving you just making you aware of that company and what they're onto, right? So at the end of the day, it's your money. It's it's your it's your hand that presses the button to buy, sell, all those things. So just be mindful and don't try and blame everyone for something that you should be blaming yourself, and just try to improve on that. Simple. It's simple to me, but most people they don't want to blame themselves. It's kind of puzzling to me. You blame yourself, you just move on. That's it. Just take the hit. It is what it is. All right, so let's see. So I mean, we were taking we were up 100 and I want to say 150% plus, somewhere like that, before March and all that fall happened. I'm not gonna blame someone else for not selling and then buying the dip at the end, but who the hell could time the market? There's no way you can time. You can tell me that, you should sell now and then buy in a couple months later. Who the hell knows what the market's gonna do, right? So no one can predict what's going on, even with the COVID stuff, and with Biden doing all these crazy stuff, and then the inflation kicking in and the spending thing. There's so much things that just happens, and no one. Well, maybe the big guys, with a lot of money, maybe they're doing something, but us retail investors, we can't really be on that type of stuff. So we just gotta, dollar cost average. Just hold if you like the company. Hold if you want to play swing trading, then play swing trading. It is what it is. So, all right. So what I've been doing is I've been staking my cake, or in the pool. Sorry, I've been restaking it here. I just put it in auto. It won't show right now because I haven't connected my MetaMask wallet here. But let's see. So I put some here when I was doing the farm, and I was doing cake to BNB. First, I was doing this. I was only doing 57. Let's see how much it is per year. Per year, it's about 77 APY. So APY is AP. Where to go? So APR looks like 57, but APY is reinvesting, so compounding. It accounts for compounding, and then that's what APY pretty much is. Right. So that's why it's a higher percentage than right here. So I was looking at that and I was like, okay, that's good. I mean, that's decent. And I put in here, and it's cake to BNB, so you have to have the equal amount for people to be buying this liquidity. and as I kind of kept it for maybe a day or so, and then I was like, all right, hold up, like this pool here, I'm earning a lot more than just 77%, because I'm gonna be keeping it here long term. Oh, just a little kind of like reminder: if you are going to hold a pancake swap for a long time, then this works. If you're just buying and selling it, then don't do this. It doesn't make any sense. You're not going to earn much here. So long term wise, you'll earn a lot. But look, so one day you'll earn 0.23, 7 days 1.61, 30 days 7%, and then 365 days APY, you're looking at 130% gain. So it shows right here, kick per $1,000 invested, so 74 kick. So yeah, pretty much. So I just put this in auto here because I'm not gonna keep claiming it and then just restaking it. I just want this to do it automatically. So right there, see, it just did it automatically. So that's what auto kick is. In the long term, I am gonna be just losing 2% because of the performance fee right here. So if you look at auto and manual, so manual, it just shows 84 now, but if you look at the year, it's 133.72 and 130, so about 3.7. But for me to earn more here, I don't want to do manual. I don't want to, like I said, right, I don't want to claim the reward and then just put it back in there like every other day or so. I want this to do automatically so I can eat the gains from compounding. Sorry. So this you won't see a lot of money from this if your account is small, but in the long term, when you are adding more pancake swap in here, when you're buying more cake and just putting it in the pool, you are gonna earn more. You're gonna look, this is just 130. I think 130 is pretty much it's not the highest, because if you look at right here, if you look at the APR, if I search by APR, whoops, where'd it go? Total stake. No, that doesn't sound right. Okay. No, okay. Okay, well, it keeps changing, so I think that's why. Because I saw some that were around 230% APY, but of course you have to realize that it's not the coins that are on the top. Some of the coins are like, in terms of market cap, they're like 1,000 and like way below there. So you also have to realize that part too. So it's like a double-edged earnings for me here. The rise of PancakeSwap's value, Cake token's value increase. I'll eat some of that profit there, and then also from doing this pool here, I'll earn something from here too. So, and I am doing most of them through Binance. I know it's not the best, but if I put all these coins all over the place, I'm gonna lose track of it. So I'll just put them all in Binance. I know they don't have the best rates. So the best to stake in terms of like stability wise looks like Cardano, because there's 73% people percent of the market cap staked in for Cardano, and total stake percentage, you get that from pretty much staked value divided by market cap, and then you get that percentage. Polkadot looks good. Solana, pretty much you see right here, but Ethereum, it's only 4%. I mean, it's a lot of money at $12.8 billion, but compared to the market cap of $302 billion, it's not there yet. And the reward is only 6.72, but which I think is high for something that's top 2, top 3. So yeah, Cardano is 7.3, and yeah, you can look at all the assets that you want and see how much you can get staking it, and at where to stake it. Before doing that, just make sure check the other forums and all that, and just make sure you're doing it properly. So, and yeah, so I'm gonna load up more on PancakeSwap and Phantom, and slowly just put there. And overall, I think we were hovering around 1.3 to 1.6 till now. So in the weekends, it was around 1.3. So I was looking at it a fair bit, and the volumes are pretty good. And I saw one chart where people were holding a lot of USDT. So you can look at the volume here. In the past 24 hours, oh, it was right here, sorry. USDT volume at $84 billion. And you can see where the money is going, right? So most of the money is in USDT right now. I think people are just loading up on USDT, waiting to pounce on any coin, like any drop that we might see. So yeah, so it's pretty good. Alright, so I think that's it for this one. Please feel free to like and subscribe, and see you tomorrow, I guess, when the market opens for NASDAQ. And then we'll be good. Yeah. Alright, see you. Peace.